Welcome to another episode of the Honeymooners. AM advice columnist Wilma will be answering 3 random subscriber-submitted questions.
Spin the wheel.
Wilma, a female subscriber asked, have you ever had any pets?
I once had a cute declawed cat I named Snowballs. I got him fixed and changed his name to just Snow. He wasn't too happy because he kept trying to find them.
Where they go?
Wilma, another female subscriber asked, what's the best way to take out the bumpy and dark spots on my legs and arms? Girlfriend, go see a dermatologist. I had the same problem years ago. I tried just about everything from wearing pants to soaking for hours. I eventually settled on the commercial spray paint leg procedure. And I'm strutting with pride.
And lastly, another female subscriber asked, will my construction working boyfriend ever propose?
Be patient. Maybe he's busy laying pipe around the city and just hasn't gotten around to it.
He's laying too much pipe.
So folks, that's it for today. Don't forget to send us your questions for Ask Wilma, give our video a thumbs up, subscribe, and remember, men are what their mothers made them.
That was good.
That's a coincidence.
The Honeymooners was recorded live in front of an imaginary studio audience.